I'm gonna be like just talking to the people who regularly like get drunk. I'm not talking about people who are like just having a little sip of wine in the evening, or anybody who just like casually drinks here and there and stuff like that. I'm talking specifically to the people who regularly get like fully drunk. What the fuck is wrong with you? I got drunk for the first time last Sunday. It is Saturday of the week after that, obviously. Didn't go back in time. I needed an entire week to recover from it. Like, I'm genuinely confused as to why you would put yourself through that. So that's why, by the way, there was no vlog, because I literally didn't film a single thing the entire last week. And I also want to say that the vlog that I posted last, I messed up the editing. Normally I rewatch the whole thing, and then when it goes up I'll watch it again. And I didn't, because we had a party because my dad's birthday was on the 1st of November, so we had a little Halloween party, and I wanted to get us in our costumes, so I had to add that onto the video. And so I guess a couple clips got misplaced. I wanted to delete the whole thing about the story because I was just whispering. You couldn't even understand anything I was saying. Such a mess. I wanted to take that whole part out, and apparently I just moved a couple clips, and it's so bad. I could have taken it down, re-uploaded it the way it was supposed to be, but honestly I thought it was just so funny and chaotic. Like, I was like, whatever. You guys, I'm lost for words, literally. I'm watching Supernatural, season 12, episode 4. I haven't seen this in forever. I don't remember when I definitely saw this before, but I couldn't remember. It's in this episode, it's about religion. I don't know how to explain this because it's so crazy. There's this farm. This girl is being tortured. Like, she has to confess her sins to God by whipping her back, and her name is Magda. I don't know how to explain this to you, but I definitely saw this episode. The thing is that I had this image in my head from when she's in the basement, for sure. That was definitely like in the back of my head. So this imagery, absolutely, I got it from there. Like, I didn't remember that was from Supernatural, but for sure that's where I got it from. No questions about it, like, absolutely. But after that, I went on and I did so many different things. It's not supposed to be the basement of some house on a farm. It's supposed to be the basement of the church. I don't even know if churches have basements, so I don't know if it's gonna stay like that. But look, the thing is, I literally watched this and I was like, oh yeah, that's where I got it from. Now I remember. And then the guy says, "Mom's with Magda." I was literally just like, excuse me? I am sorry. You're probably thinking, well, Maddie, what's wrong with you? You got it from there. Like, come on, don't be such a dumbass. No, you know where I got Magda from? Magdalena? Is that I looked up my own name, Madeline, and I looked at like what a different ways to say it is, which is stupid. Maybe you're probably like, oh, okay, you took your own name. Yeah, okay, I fucking did. Okay, shit, whatever. And I just looked at it and I saw Magdalena, which is the Polish way of saying it, and Magda is from Poland, and I just really liked the name Magdalena, so I took that. Like I said, the visuals, absolutely stolen. It's not gonna look like this, but that's what's in my head for sure. That's the one. This is it. But the name, bruh. Like, look, I know that this town, or this place, it's not a whole town, obviously. It's just their home. And I know that it's not, like, it plays in the now. And yet, still, they use oil lamps. And it's like it's like I just took this episode.
Elijah? What's wrong?
Mom's with Magda.
Your mother's doing God's work.
And then this kid is wearing the same jacket as Caleb. I'm just pulling on loose strings right now. There's nothing, like, it's done. The only thing was the name. Just in case anybody's wondering why there hasn't been a video in like almost 2 weeks now, it's because I am losing my mind. Oh my god, I don't even know how many, I'm making this video to like show how many profiles I've drawn, and I am I've drawn many more since then, and I literally did this last night until 3 a.m., 3:30 a.m. or whatever. I sculpted this head, just a basic head, it's not a character or anything, from my mind, okay? I did this from mind, and I don't think it turned out too bad, okay? But then, why does it still look weird? Like, why? I cannot draw a profile. Bro, this game was like incredibly short. I'm like actually disappointed. I just wanted to play a little more because I hadn't played in a while and it's just over. Just like that. I didn't accomplish anything. I feel like there's nothing I did. Y'all, I did like the past 3 days I've been working on these 3D designs for references and I did it wrong. I did it all on like layers and stuff and then now everything, I don't know exactly what went wrong. I used the same base and then built on top of it different skin types, different people, I don't know. And then I changed, basically every time I changed something underneath, the ones on top would get completely fucked up. And I didn't know that. So now look how fucked up this is. Look at that. What is this? What is that? No. What the hell? I don't know. What the fuck? Okay, I really need like a good fortune today. The real beauty is in simplicity. I don't know if that's gonna help me right now, honestly. Well, I hope you guys are going to have a good week. And see you next week. Peace out. I don't know why I just did that video.